So this is the remote control. Here in the center is the select. This is left arrow, that's right arrow, up and down. These are the only things you're really going to need, apart from the power button, for when you're navigating on the TV set. Let's see if we can do this. Just to let you know that you can do some of the things of the MedallionClass app on your Stateroom TV with the remote. So I'm using the left arrow to get into this left menu, and then the down arrow to get into MedallionClass. And then I hit the round button in the middle of the remote, which is the select button, and I'm using a right arrow to get over. The right arrow doesn't let you go all the way over, so a down arrow, and you can see that Dine My Way is now selected. And I hit select, and it will bring up any reservations that you have. I don't think I actually have any reservations for tonight. Yeah, I don't have any right now, but you can also create reservations and that sort of thing. And it drops you immediately into this left-hand side menu, so to get over and create a new reservation, you just arrow over, or you don't. Okay, so down, and then you can arrow over. So if I wanted to create one there, I could now, and then I can go left arrow to get back to the left navigation menu, and you can see I've got something here on the crown grille, and if I wanted to, I could go in and I could edit it hitting select, and I'd be able to change things here if I wanted to. I don't want to change things, so I'm actually going to arrow down until I get to here and I can cancel. So that's basically how you're going to do this. If your app isn't working, you can at least see what you've signed up for, which was the problem I initially had, is I couldn't remember when I had signed up for which dining room, and I wanted to make sure I didn't miss my reservations. So hopefully this helps you if you're having problems with your app. Some things you can do on your TV, some things not so much. Hopefully this helps. Solo Sue signing off.